Computer System Validation, CSV, is the process of ensuring that a computer system or software application meets predefined quality standards, regulatory requirements, and intended use. It is particularly important in industries such as pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, medical devices, and healthcare, where computer systems play a critical role in supporting and managing important processes, including data integrity, product quality, and patient safety. The primary goal of CSV is to provide documented evidence that a computer system performs its intended functions accurately, reliably, and consistently, while adhering to regulatory guidelines and industry best practices. It involves a systematic and comprehensive approach to verify and validate all aspects of the computer system, including hardware, software, data, procedures, and associated controls. Here are the key components and steps involved in the computer system validation process. 1. Planning. This phase involves defining the scope of validation, determining the validation strategy, and establishing validation policies and procedures. It includes identifying the critical functionalities, risks, and regulatory requirements associated with the system. 2. User Requirement Specification, ORS. The ORS document outlines the intended use and high-level functional and performance requirements of the computer system, as defined by the end user or business stakeholders. It serves as a basis for subsequent validation activities. 3. Functional Requirement Specification, FRS. The FRS document provides detailed information about the specific functions and features of the system. It describes how the system is expected to behave and how different modules or components interact with each other. 4. Design Specification, DS. The DS document describes the detailed technical design of the system, including hardware configurations, software architecture, data structures, and interfaces. It serves as a blueprint for implementing and testing the system. 5. Installation Qualification, IQ. This phase involves verifying that the system is installed correctly, according to the manufacturer's specifications and predefined requirements. It includes checking hardware components, network connections, software installations, and environmental conditions. 6. Operational Qualification, OQ. The OQ phase focuses on testing the system's functionality and performance under normal operating conditions. It includes executing test scripts and scenarios to verify that the system meets the predefined functional requirements. 7. Performance Qualification, PQ. In the PQ phase, the system's performance is evaluated under simulated real-world conditions to ensure that it meets performance criteria and can handle expected workloads. This includes stress testing, load testing, and volume testing. 8. User Acceptance Testing, UAT. UAT involves conducting tests in a controlled environment by end users or business stakeholders to verify that the system meets their specific requirements and expectations. It focuses on the system's usability, user interface, and user experience. 9. Validation Documentation. Throughout the validation process, all activities, tests, and results should be thoroughly documented. This includes validation plans, test protocols, test scripts, test reports, and traceability matrices, which establish a clear audit trail and demonstrate compliance with regulations. 10. Change control and periodic review. Once the system is validated, any subsequent changes or modifications to the system should follow a formal change control process. Additionally, periodic reviews and revalidation should be performed to ensure the ongoing compliance, reliability, and performance of the system. It's important to note that CSV is a dynamic process that requires ongoing maintenance and monitoring to ensure the system remains in a validated state throughout its lifecycle. Regular system audits, data integrity checks, calibration and maintenance activities, and employee training are essential to maintaining compliance and the integrity of validated systems. Please like, share, and subscribe.